Hello students, so this is our fifth part of the first chapter of science, that is chemical reaction and equation. So today our today's topic is oxidation and reduction. So first come to definition of oxidation and reduction. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is nothing but that is the combination or simply addition of oxygen or simply removal of hydrogen. And similarly reduction, this is the just opposite process of oxidation. So in oxidation we have written oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen. So in reduction you can write this is the just opposite, removal of, so reduction is nothing but removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. So reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. So addition of oxygen, sometimes you can also write addition of oxygen or some more electronegative elements like chlorine, nitrogen, fluorine, etc. So here addition of oxygen, so I will explain you later. So now come to, so for this first you have to take an example, an activity. Suppose I am taking copper. So copper, its color that is reddish brown, or simply I can write copper, it is brown in color, copper color brown. So first you will take a china dish, nava, and inside this china dish first take copper, एठी हमें copper नेबा. When it is heated, जेतले हमको heat करिवा with the help, so एठी हम stand नेबा एमिति. So when the china dish containing copper that is strongly heated, what happens? So you will observe that the color, it changes from brown to black color. आमे को पूरा strongly heat करूचे copper. So copper, its color changes from brown color to black color. So what is the reason behind it? So we had taken copper and it was heated in presence of oxygen. So you can write the reaction, that is CuO. So I can balance it. Ako heat kale. So its color is brown and its color is black color. So black color was obtained due to formation of CuO. So that is our cupric oxide or simply copper 2 oxide. So copper reacts with oxygen and you got copper oxide, and better to name it as copper 2 oxide because its valency, the valency of copper in CuO is 2. So I wrote here copper 2 oxide. So here so now compare the change between copper and between Cu and CuO, between copper and copper oxide, copper 2 oxide. एटी कौन होची, simply here we added oxygen to the copper. आमे copper oxygen add करिवारु we got CuO. So addition of oxygen, so that is nothing but your oxidation, because the definition of oxidation says that oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen. ताले एटी oxygen add हला फिले, that's why this is an example of oxidation reaction. So for the reverse reaction you can also take, if you pass hydrogen gas on कपर 2 ऑक्साइड आमे CuO सहित जदि आमे पास करेवा विच गैस हाइड्रोजन गैस and if you will heat or when you pass hydrogen gas over heated copper oxide or hot copper oxide, then what happens? You will get again Cu plus H2. So it's the black color again changes to brown color because CuO or copper 2 oxide or simply cupric oxide that is changed into copper, and here hydrogen that changes to H2O water, hydrogen water convert hela and CuO copper 2 oxide that got converted into copper. Now if you compare these two, ए दुटा कंपेयर करो, सो बिटवीन CuO एंड Cu एठी कौन है ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव होइछि, ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव होला, एठी कौन है ऑक्सीजन को ऐड होइछि. सो रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दैट इज नथिंग बट योर रिडक्शन. सिमिलरली एठी ऑक्सीजन को ऐड कराइछि, दैट्स व्हाई द कन्वर्शन ऑफ H2 और हाइड्रोजन इनटू वाटर दैट इज नथिंग बट योर ऑक्सीडेशन. काहे ऑक्सीडेशन? बिकॉज हियर you got H2O from H2 due to addition of oxygen. आम ऑक्सीजन को ऐड कले, addition of oxygen is nothing but oxidation. Similarly from CuO you got copper, means by the removal of oxygen you got copper. So here the process that is nothing but reduction. So during the reaction copper 2 oxide is losing oxygen and it is being reduced. So you can write CuO is reduced to copper. CuO कोथरे कन्वर्ट हैला copper रे, so CuO is reduced to copper. Similarly you can write hydrogen एठी ऑक्सीडेशन होइछि, so hydrogen is oxidized to water. Okay, so hydrogen here, hydrogen is gaining oxygen and it is being oxidized, or in other words you can say one reactant gets oxidized, गोटे reactant oxidized होउछि while the other gets reduced. So in other words you can say one reactant is getting oxidized while the other reactant it gets reduced during the reaction, and such type of reactions are called as oxidation reduction reactions. एठी कोन होची both oxidation and reduction takes place. ए reaction रे आर reduction हला आर oxidation हला, so both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. That's why such reactions are called as oxidation reduction reactions, oxidation reduction reaction or simply redox reaction. एमानु का भी कौन कहि परिबा oxidation reduction reaction or simply redox reaction. So redox, this is the combination of reduction and oxidation reaction. So this is an example of redox reaction. So how can you define redox reaction? So those reactions in which one reactant is getting one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced during a reaction, then such type of reactions are called as oxidation reduction reaction or simply redox reaction. So in this redox reaction again I am taking the same example here. So the reaction between CuO and H2 to produce copper and water. Here oxidation का रही hydrogen रो, hydrogen is oxidized into water, and similarly CuO copper 2 oxide that is reduced into copper. Now different type of reagents or agents like oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So oxidizing agent का कहवा जी अन्य को ऑक्सीडाइज करे. एठी देखो ऑक्सीडेशन का रही हाइड्रोजन रे ऑक्सीडेशन हेछि. So here hydrogen is oxidized into water. तल हाइड्रोजन को ऑक्सीडाइज किए कला की ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई कला CO. So here it is the oxidizing agent. तल एठी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट कोटा CuO. तल एठी रिडक्शन का रही CuO रिडक्शन हेछि. So CuO is reduced into copper. तल आपको किए reduce कला हाइड्रोजन. So here the reducing agent is hydrogen. So how can you define oxidizing agent? So oxidizing agents are those substances which oxidizes others. जे अन्य को ऑक्सीडाइज करे. तले एठी हाइड्रोजन को की ऑक्सीडाइज कला हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीडाइज हला इनटू वाटर. हाइड्रोजन इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड इनटू वाटर बट which substance or which compound oxidized hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन को की ऑक्सीडाइज कला CuO. कहीं कि ये सप्लाई कला आपको ऑक्सीजन ये सप्लाई कला. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. तल ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट को हाउ कैन यू डिफाइन? सो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट्स आर दोज which oxidize others. जो अन्य को ऑक्सीडाइज करे and itself gets reduced. तल अन्य को सिना ये ऑक्सीडाइज करे निजे कौन हो जाए रेड्यूस हो जाए आर निजे रिडक्शन हेछि. तल ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट कोटा हबो जे अन्य को ऑक्सीडाइज करे आउ निजको रेड्यूस करे. सिमिलर रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट हाइड्रोजन एठी तला हाइड्रोजन रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट काहे केला बिकॉज हाइड्रोजन ये एठो ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव कला. तला को कोन कला ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव कला माने रिडक्शन हला. तला हाइड्रोजन टा CuO को रेड्यूस कला. तो CuO इज रेड्यूस्ड इनटू कॉपर but आपको किए reduce कला hydrogen. So hydrogen is the reducing agent. So how can you define reducing agent? So those substances which reduce others. जे अन्य को reduce करे and itself gets oxidized. जदि अन्य को reduce कला ताल निजे कौन हबो oxidize हबो. So oxidizing agents ताले एठी कोन केमिन जानले ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट्स आर दोज व्हिच ऑक्सीडाइज अदर्स एंड इटसेल्फ गेट्स reduced. आउ निजे कोन हो जाए reduce हो जाए. सिमिलरली reducing agent is that substance which reduce others. जो अन्य को reduce करे but itself gets oxidized. निजे oxidize हो जाए. So the definitions. So you can write so oxidizing agent. So it is the substance which gives oxygen or gains hydrogen. जो ऑक्सीजन दिए किंबा हाइड्रोजन निए that is called as oxidizing agent. and जो oxidizing agent हुए निजर कौन हुए reduction निजे reduce हो जाए निजे reduce हुए. Similarly now come to reducing agent. It is the substance which gives hydrogen or gains oxygen. reducing agent सीए जे कि अन्य को हाइड्रोजन दिए किंबा अन्य ठारू ऑक्सीजन नहीं जाए आओ निजे ये अन्य को रेड्यूस करे माने निजे आर कोन हुए ऑक्सीडेशन हुए. ताले गोटे रिएक्शन रे जे निजे ऑक्सीडाइज हुए सी हबो रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट. आउ जे निजे रेड्यूस हुए सी हुए ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. आउ जे निजर ऑक्सीडेशन हुए सी हबो रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट. So now take another redox reaction, some other examples of redox reaction. Suppose I am taking here the reaction between zinc oxide and coke or coal or simply carbon. So when carbon is heated, when the mixture of carbon and zinc oxide that is heated, you will get zinc plus carbon monoxide. Now have a look at देखो पिले Now compare zinc oxide is converted into zinc. ताले zinc oxide टा zinc रे केते बड़े convert हबो by the removal of oxygen. यदि oxygen को remove करा गला then the process is nothing but your reduction. Similarly come to compare carbon and carbon monoxide. carbon monoxide रे केमिति convert हबो by the addition of oxygen. ताले carbon रे oxygen add कले carbon monoxide formation होला. So this is nothing but oxidation. ताले carbon रो जदि oxidation होला ये कोन हबो that is the reducing agent. So here carbon is nothing but the reducing agent. कहीं कि आर निजर कौन है ऑक्सीडेशन है. सिमिलरली जिंक ऑक्साइड टा कौन है जिंक ऑक्साइड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू जिंक मींस आर रिडक्शन है. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट आवर oxidizing agent. So you can say that zinc oxide has lost oxygen to form zinc, hence zinc oxide has been reduced. Similarly carbon has gained oxygen to form carbon monoxide and hence carbon has been oxidized. Similarly zinc oxide has given oxygen, ये oxygen देइछि, that's why zinc oxide is the oxidizing agent. Carbon has gained oxygen, carbon oxygen नेइछि, that's why carbon is the reducing agent. I hope all of you understood. Now you can take another example of redox reaction, that is the reaction between manganese dioxide and HCl. So you will get the products manganese chloride plus water plus chlorine. You can balance it. So this is your 4, this is 2. ताले एठी देखो दीटा अछि, ताले गोटे ऑक्सीडाइज हेतिबो गोटे रेड्यूस हेतिबो. हाउ कैन यू नो? मो डेफिनेशन रे कहितली ऑक्सीडेशन कोन? ऑक्सीडेशन इज नथिंग बट एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो किंबा मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट ऐड हेले भी दैट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज ऑक्सीडेशन. नाउ हैव अ लुक हियर. कंपेयर एठी मैंगानीज अछि, ए दुईटा को हम कंपेयर करिवा. ताले एठी देखो एठी ऑक्सीजन कोन है रिमूव कराइछि. रिमूव कला परे जहां भी हेछि, सो रिमूव हेछि एठी ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव हेछि, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट योर रिडक्शन. सिमिलरली एठी कोन हेछि, नाउ कम टू एठी HCl रो हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कला हला, सो रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. सो HCl टा कोथरे कन्वर्ट हेछि, क्लोरीन रे कन्वर्ट हेछि. सो HCl रो H को रिमूव कला परे क्लोरीन बाहरिबो, सो एठी रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट योर ऑक्सीडेशन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. ताले एठी कोन होछि, सो रिडक्शन कार हला manganese dioxide is reduced to manganese chloride. Similarly HCl is oxidized to chlorine. ताला एठी ऑक्सीडेशन हला. ताले जदी ऑक्सीडेशन हला एटा को एजेंट हबो, सो दिस विल बी योर reducing agent. manganese dioxide reduction हेछि, so this is the oxidizing agent. So students, so in today's topic you learnt about oxidation and reduction. Now the effects of oxidation reaction in our everyday life. Oxidation रो कौन कौन इफेक्ट अच्छे हम एवरीडे लाइफ रे. सो देयर आर मेनी इफेक्ट्स so in our everyday life, but we'll discuss only 2 of them, of those. So first is your corrosion and second is your rancidity. So first come to corrosion. So before knowing to corrosion, so both are chemical process. It may be corrosion, it may be rancidity, both are chemical reactions. Both are the effects of oxidation. So first, what is corrosion? Corrosion kon janiba? You must have observed that iron articles are shiny when new. Suppose you have an iron article. Say suppose this is an iron article. It is iron article. New iron article. So first रे कौन होची? It is shiny when it is new. First रे कौन होची? ये shine करे. But after some days, what happens? A reddish brown color layer that is formed on the iron article and it loses its shiny property. आयरन आर्टिकल प्रथम रे जेतेबेले थाए से साइन करे बट किछि दिन परे आयरन आर्टिकल उपरे गोटे को लेयर आसी जाय पिले दैट इज ए रेडिश ब्राउन कलर लेयर इज फॉर्म्ड on that iron article when that article is left for some days or some time. So this process is generally known as rusting. This is rusting of iron rusting. Similarly, some other metals also get tarnished in this manner. So now suppose this is our copper article. It a copper article. So when it is left for some years, so what happens? A green color formation. आपरे को कलर आछे green color formation. तमे देखिथिबो घरे किछि कपर और ब्रास रो किछि आर्टिकल जदि अछि वेसल्स घरे अछि किछि दिन परे ता ऊपर ग्रीन कलर रो लेयर फॉर्मेशन हो जाए. दैट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन दैट इज ऑल्सो corrosion. So rusting is corrosion. Formation of green color on copper vessels or copper articles, that is also corrosion. Similarly, जदि हम पकरे suppose you have silver article ऊपर भी कलर फॉर्मेशन हो जाए. को कलर ब्लैक कलर फॉर्मेशन हो जाए. दैट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ corrosion. ताले एठी कौन हुए? सो ड्यू टू corrosion iron, so rusting takes place in case of iron, green color formation in case of copper and brass articles or vessels. Similarly, black color formation takes place on silver articles or silver ornaments. So those are nothing but oxidations, the result of oxidations, or that is corrosion. So what is corrosion? ताले corrosion रे कौन हला? आमको we need the iron but we do not need the rust. आमको आयरन लोड़ा किंतु रस्ट लोड़ा नहीं. आमको कपर लोड़ा किंतु कपर ऊपर ग्रीन कलर आमको लोड़ा नहीं. आमको सिल्वर लोड़ा बट सिल्वर ऊपर जो ब्लैक कलर फॉर्मेशन हुए we do not need that compound. ओके ताले एठी कौन हुए? प्योर मेटल रो किछि undesired compound formation हो जाए. So due to the atmospheric attack, when atmosphere attacks, so due to atmospheric attack on pure metal, so some undesired compounds are formed on its surface. यार surface ऊपरे pure metal रो surface ऊपरे atmosphere रो continuous interaction जोगु किछि undesired आमको जोटा लोड़ा नुह से compound formation हो जाए. लेयर हिसाब रे लेयर प्रकार रे formation हो जाए on the surface of the metals and that is nothing but the chemical process that is called as corrosion. Corrosion, how can you define? Now the definition. definition of corrosion. In different ways you can define. So what is corrosion? So the corrosion is nothing but, and corrosion is a slow process. Aji copper nelo, kali green formation hueni. It takes some time. So it is a slow process. So what is the definition? So corrosion is nothing but it is the process, or corrosion, the process, it is the process of slowly eating of metals. मेटल को ये धीरे धीरे कंज्यूम कर दिए ड्यू टू अटैक ऑफ द एटमोस्फियर. मेटल ऊपर एटमोस्फियर सबुले इंटरेक्ट करि थाए. सो ड्यू टू अटैक ऑफ द एटमोस्फियर व्हाट हैपेंस, द मेटल इज slowly eaten off, and such chemical process that is called as corrosion. So you can define corrosion as so it is the process of slowly eating of the metals due to attack of moisture, acids or some other atmospheric gases on the surface of the metal. So metal ro surface सहित atmosphere different gas, moisture और acid जदि attack करे ताहले तार surface रो किसी metal को से consume करे and convert it into some other undesirable or undesired products. किसी undesired product रे convert करी दिए, and this process is called as corrosion. So examples, so rusting of iron good example है परे. Similarly formation of green color on copper article ऊपर green color and silver article ऊपर black color formation. These are also examples of corrosion, different type of corrosions. So in detail you will learn in your third chapter, that is metal and non-metal. So with regions, what is the region of black color formation on silver article, so brown color formation on iron or rusting of iron, ये सब region पढ़िबो. Now come to effects. So obviously, so it is a chemical process and undesirable process. हमको that's why so हमको बहुत लॉस हुए. So effect रे हम कौन देखिबा. So corrosion causes कौन करे damage to car bodies. Car bodies are made up of iron. So car body को bridge, so car bodies, bridge, iron railing, railway, truck, ship, यही सब को ये कौन करे डैमेज करे. and also it damages different vessels of iron, different vessels of copper and ornaments made up of silver. ये सब को ये डैमेज करे जनरली आयरन रो. So corrosion of iron is a serious problem. So every year an enormous amount of money is spent to replace the damaged iron. So you will learn more about the corrosion in chapter 3, that is metal and non-metal. So how can you prevent corrosion? Corrosion को हमें केमिति prevent करिबा सेही chapter सबु detail रे अछि. Now come to second, that is rancidity. So what is rancidity? So our next point, that is effect of oxidation, that is rancidity. So rancidity कौन देखा. Suppose you will keep some foods for some days. किछि दिन पे किछि फूड रखला परे तार टेस्ट चेंज हो जाए, खराब लगे, तार ऑर्डर और स्मेल भी बहुत खराब लगे. So that is due to oxidation, and such a process is called as rancidity. So what is rancidity? The oxidation of oils and fats in food रे थिबा ऑयल और फैट रो ऑक्सीडेशन हेले जे कि कौन रिजल्ट करे into a bad smell and bad taste is called as rancidity. So what is rancidity? So it is the oxidation of oils and fats which are present in the foodstuffs and which results into a bad smell and bad taste, that is called as rancidity. ताले कौन पे हुए? So fats and oils are oxidized. जेतल oxidize हुए, when fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste changes. So usually substances which are foods which contains oil and fat. Food जो oil और fat थाए तार oxidation हो जाए, तेणु you will get some bad odor or bad smell and bad taste, and such a process is called as rancidity. So how can you prevent rancidity? ताल rancidity को आमे केमिति prevent करिवा? जदि तार oxidation न हुए, जदि oxidation न हुए माने oxidation को आमे करिवानी. So oxidation is generally due to addition of oxygen. ताले atmospheric oxygen interact जेतबळे करे food particle सहित, food रे थिबा fat बा oil particle सहित, जे oil बा fat सहित जेतबळे interact करे, oxidation takes place. जदि oxidation को आमे बंद कर देबा food रो, then rancidity will not take place. ताले आमे first how to prevent rancidity, आमे rancidity को केमिति prevent करिवा? So first point, by using suitable antioxidant को कहा कहबा? जे कि ऑक्सीडेशन को स्लो डाउन करे बा ऑक्सीडेशन हेबा को दिएनी. दो substances are called as antioxidants. So when you use some antioxidants in food, then rancidity can be prevented. Similarly, second, by refrigeration. जदि आमे रेफ्रिजरेटर रे फूड पार्टिकल को रखिबा, ताल भी rancidity को आमे prevent करि परिबा. You can also prevent rancidity by keeping the food stuffs or food particles in refrigerator. And third, that is very important, replacing air by nitrogen. Actually, nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen is nearly inert, means that is very less reactive as compared to oxygen. ताले हमें नाइट्रोजन को आउ ऑक्सीजन को कंपेयर करिवा, ताले नाइट्रोजन रो रिएक्टिविटी, एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन. ताले एटमॉस्फेयर थिबा नाइट्रोजन एटमॉस्फेयर थिबा ऑक्सीजन अपेक्षा बहुत कम रिएक्टिव, ऑलमोस्ट रिएक्शन करे नाही. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग अ लाइन हियर, रिप्लेसिंग एयर बाय नाइट्रोजन. आमी जानिछे फॉर एग्जांपल you know about the chips bags. आमे डिफरेंट चिप्स खाउचे, चिप्स से भितर कौन करा जाए? एयर को बाहर करा जाए. कहीं एयर कंटेन्स ऑक्सीजन. यदि एयर कंटेन्स ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, डिफरेंट गैसेस, बट विच इज मोर रिएक्टिव गैस? दैट इज ऑक्सीजन. जदि हमें एयर को बाहर कर देबा, एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ एयर इफ यू विल कीप नाइट्रोजन, जदि भितर हम नाइट्रोजन रखिबा, ताले फूड पार्टिकल रो ऑक्सीडेशन हबनी. जदि ऑक्सीडेशन न हला, rancidity will not take place. So in this way you can also prevent rancidity. That's why you know the chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with the gas such as nitrogen to prevent the chips from getting oxidized. तेणु कौन करती? चिप्स मैन्युफैक्चरर चिप्स बैग भितरे नाइट्रोजन रो गैस रखती, आउ एयर को बाहर करके नाइट्रोजन को रखती. नाइट्रोजन दे यूजुअली फ्लश, तब भरी करती, फ्लश द चिप्स बैग्स with nitrogen gas only to prevent फ्रॉम गेटिंग ऑक्सीडाइज्ड ताको ऑक्सीडाइज न हेबा पई रखंती सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर फर्स्ट चैप्टर होप you understood thank you students